Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the MECCHA Chameleon game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own server within the game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up MECCHA Chameleon on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, you may join any server by clicking on Find Server, or you can create your own one by clicking on Create Server. Now you can enter your display name that you would like to use within your match. Then enter the server name that you want to set. And you may also set a password if you want to set up a private server. You can choose your maximum number of players, which can be set to a maximum of 24. Then at the right side, you can choose your region tag, letting the players know the region that you are from. Then you can also choose your server tag, and once you are ready, you can click on Create Server. If you have not set up a password within your server, then anyone can join your server from the Find Server section. If you have set up a password, they will need to go into the Find Private Server option, and if you have not, then you can simply find it in the public server. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your own server on the MECCHA Chameleon game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.